If you want to create an emoji wallpaper on Google Pixel 10 Pro, you just have to go to Settings. Now we're gonna find and choose Wallpaper and Style, and then we can go to More Wallpapers. Over here we have the Emoji Workshop, so let's go ahead and open it. And then we can, for example, choose emojis that you want to use over here on the lock screen. Sorry, not the lock screen, the wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. Also, let's use like this one, and maybe something like this, etc. And let's press this check over here. We can also choose different patterns. So we have like mosaic, lotus, and so on and so forth. We can also use this slider to zoom in and zoom out. And we also have different colors. So you can choose one of these colors that we have over here. Let's say I'm gonna choose this orange one. And then you can press this check in the upper right corner. You can also press I'm feeling lucky in order to randomize the wallpaper in the workshop. Over here, let's go next. I'm just gonna apply it for the home screen only and press apply. And hopefully it will be applied. Yep, there we go, it works just fine. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.